In this video, I show you how to fix Roblox screen time limit reached. You have reached your daily screen time limit. Come back tomorrow to access Roblox again problem. You can fix this problem, add more time. You can increase time here, 1 minutes, 5 minutes. If you fix this problem permanently, then click on three line, then click on settings, then click on privacy and content restriction, then click on screen time, then click on daily limit, then tap on here. You can set no limit, then save. Now I hope that this method fix screen time limit reach problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.